Hey, do you want to learn digital fashion illustration like these on Procreate in your iPad? I will show you how to do on my digital illustration workshop on Procreate. Hey, my name is Paras Aneja. You guys know me as a fashion illustrator on Instagram. I'm working as a freelance illustrator from past 2 years. I'm bringing you a masterclass on Procreate software. In this batch, you will learn digital illustration from basics to the advanced level. If you want to learn digital illustration from zero or just want to improve your illustration skills. In this masterclass, I will cover topics such as basics of the Procreate, working with the fashion CROQUI, making our own CROQUI step by step, how the features are done, how the face is done, how we can make a flashing of the CROQUIs, applying a realistic shades and highlights there, making a different kind of illustrations like swimwear, sportswear, casual wear, western, Indian wear, and lot other effects like ruffles, pleats, showing how we can show a folds, how to do a polka dot fabric to advanced fabrics like stripes, leather, velvet, shimmer, denim, tie and dye, and a lot of textures. Like it has more than 20 plus textures in this topic. Not only basic techniques, you will also learn how to give realistic texture, 3D textures, embroideries, bridal wear effects, face features, jewelry, accessories, and much more. Over 20 plus hours of content and 18 plus modules with the live doubt patches are available. Each module have an assignment which you can practice and advance the technique before getting into a next module. With lots of bonus content included, doubt session, ebook, step-by-step notes and other resources. All you need to get started is an iPad, Apple Pencil and a Procreate app. I'm so excited to teach you and waiting for you guys to enroll.